Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Pro with activated pattern protection, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern fingerprint protection on the following device, and also let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation by using the hardware keys method. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and tap power off again, just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Let's wait a few seconds. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: the power key right here and the volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Let me do it. Let's hold down together power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as Mi logo pops up in front of you. And this is the PC suit mode, the recovery mode. So afterwards you need to download some application to remove the pattern. You can use our link, so you can use the download HardReset.Info and here the XIAOMI folder. I will also show you this under the video in the description. You can just use the link to download the folder, and let's just download the XIAOMI service tool. Here I have such a thing right here. XIAOMI service tool. Let's just unpack this file and open the folder. This is the XIAOMI device service tool. Let me open this. Sometimes you need to turn off the antivirus for a moment just to open this. And here you need to do the following things. Let's connect your device to your PC by using the cable right here. Excellent. And when your device is connected, all you need to do is choose pattern password remove right here. So let me do it. The device is performing the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings, and also the pattern protection. Let's press any key to continue on your keyboard. And now you can simply disconnect your device and start holding power key to switch on the device. If nothing happens, you have to keep holding the key and release the key when the device will be black. As you can see, the screen is black. Now let's press power key one more time. The XIAOMI is switching on. The first startup process may take a little bit longer than usual one, because after the hard reset operation the device will load you the welcome panel, so let's wait and do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent. As you can see, the MIUI logo pops up, so the XIAOMI welcome panel just appears in front of you, and as you can see, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.